Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So this week's Fab In 5, I'm going to be doing this spring-inspired look. If you're interested in the step-by-step of how I created this look, then keep on watching. Today I will be using the ColourPop Truly Madly Deeply palette. This palette has very spring-like shades, and I think it's a great palette for a spring look. First, I'm going to take MAC Paint Pot and prime my eyes. I'm then going to set the primer down with the shade Matter of Fact. It is a matte cream shade. This will just help set the MAC Paint Pot down so that it's not sticky or tacky and that everything blends seamlessly on top. I'm then going to take the shade Lay Low, a nice soft peach. I'm going to use that to start the transition in the crease to help soften and blend out. Once I have this evenly blended across the crease and out towards the brow bone, I'm going to take the shade Cutouts, which is a more coral shade, and I'm going to use a more precise brush to apply that all across the crease and into the lower lid. Once I have this placed, I'm going to then use the Lay Low shade, which was that peach, to help soften the shade so there's no harsh lines and we get that perfect soft blend. Now I'm going to take the shade Blossom, which is a beautiful peachy golden metallic, and I'm going to apply that all across the lid using my finger. And then I'm going to take a precise pencil brush and apply the shade Sweet Dreams, and I am wetting this with my Maven Rose Setting Spray by Maven Beauty. This is going to just make it a little bit more bright, and this is going to help highlight the inner corner, and I'm also going to use it on the brow bone as well. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to start with the shade Cutouts, which was that coral. I'm going to apply it all across the lower lash line and blend it out with the shade Lay Low, which was that peach shade. I'm going to be taking the shade Renegade, which is a beautiful multicolored glitter, and I'm going to just lightly press that in the center of the lid. I'm now going to take the Marc Jacobs At Lashed Lengthening Mascara, and I'm going to first curl my lashes and apply on the top and the bottom. And I did go in with a light second layer. Now moving on to the cheeks, I'm taking my e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush in the shade Always Breezy, which is actually quite similar to the shade of the eyes, as I want the look to be very balanced. Now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals, a beautiful golden shade, and I'm just going to apply this to all of my high points, my cheekbones, a little bit above my brow bone, on the center of the nose, and on the Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to apply the Essence 8-Hour Waterproof Lip Liner in the shade So Default. I'm going to line the lips and do the technique to create fuller lips. If you haven't seen my video on this, I actually have a Fab In 5 video, how to achieve fuller lips. I will link that below. And now I'm going to apply the Pat McGrath Matte Trance Lipstick in Peep Show. And last but not least, I'm going to apply the Charlotte Tilbury Jewel Lip Gloss in Pillow Talk for a beautiful, glossy, glowy lip. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed and have a wonderful day. Happy spring, guys.